In a significant political development, Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal announced on Sunday that the party would contest the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections independently, ruling out any alliance with the opposition India bloc. This decision is seen as a setback to the coalition's efforts to consolidate anti-BJP votes in the national capital. Kejriwal stated at a press conference as the political environment in Delhi intensified ahead of the elections slated for early next year, and I quote, "AAP will have no alliance for the assembly polls in Delhi."
सर, विधानसभा चुनाव की अब सुगबुगाहट शुरू हो गई है। गठबंधन की लगातार बातें चल रही हैं, तो क्या दिल्ली में कोई गठबंधन नहीं होगा?
The decision comes amid a wave of political realignments, with several leaders from the Congress and BJP recently defecting to AAP. The elections are poised to be a litmus test for AAP's governance record against the BJP's ambitions to strengthen its foothold in the city-state. AAP and Congress, both part of the India bloc, a coalition of 26 opposition parties, had earlier joined hands for the Delhi Lok Sabha elections. However, the alliance failed to deliver, with the BJP sweeping all 7 seats. Kejriwal's latest announcement indicates widening cracks in the opposition's unity. This is not the first time AAP has distanced itself from the alliance. Ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, Kejriwal ruled out any partnership with Congress in Punjab, asserting that AAP would contest all 13 seats independently. Similarly, the two parties could not finalize a seat-sharing agreement for the Haryana Assembly polls. The upcoming Delhi Assembly elections will determine the composition of the 70-member legislature, where AAP currently holds a commanding majority with 62 seats. The party has already released its first list of 11 candidates, which includes 6 defectors from the BJP and Congress, underscoring its strategy to attract leaders from rival camps.